Hi there guys. I believe you are conserving on well over there. Welcome again to the Gadgets Tech, the channel that gives you real updates on all of the new technologies. Accessible a good way to simply make things easier for you. In modern day video, I will be showing 10 fantastic gadgets I think you should have around you. Believe me guys, you'll fall in love with those devices. Rocket Air Arkansas glass is a powerful glass in an effort to make the digital world so near and actual to you. Rocket Air is an effective, intuitive, fantastic lightweight pair of glasses. It seems like a large screen that perfectly fits into your pocket and might go anywhere with you. Rocket Air is one of the maximum lower priced Arkansas glasses that completely fit all of us. Movies look bigger, video games sense extra real. These pairs and be exposed to a new level of revel in with a huge 120 digital display screen that gives an exceptional multimedia experience. It additionally has voice control and different superior functions. This foldable pair of technological eyewear, it is widely well matched with Android and iOS phones, laptop, computers, and PS4. The price is estimated at around $419. Ulanzi Fill Light. Ulanzi Fill Light is your cross to transportable and adjustable light for laptops, phones, and pills to make certain your video and images projects look professional. This light is designed with suction cups that make installation easy. You definitely attach the suction cups to your device's flat and clean floor, and it is prepared to use. The magnetic lower back panel makes the fill light tightly connected, so the light can comply with you everywhere. You rotate it to have an progressed shooting efficiency. You do not ought to fear approximately them falling. This is the suitable tool for you as a visible content material. You may get this fill light at an estimated price of $24. Cutcom. Cutcom is a smart clipper that permits you to present yourself a pro. Difficult to reduce within the comfort of your space while not having to travel or wait in a line for an appointment at the barbershop. It comes with a rear-view digital camera, so you can effortlessly see what you are doing through your telephone or any other related connected device. You're thinking about how you can give yourself a cut. If you have never tried doing that earlier than properly, Cutcom is like the nice instructor to take you from a newbie to a professional in giving yourself haircuts. An app has arrays of skilled barbers who are geared up to take you via tutorials on any style of your choice. With Cutcom, you could without difficulty store yourself some extra bucks, time, and gas you'll need to travel to a barbershop. You may view this device as your non-public barber that stays with you whenever. There is more value to be derived from this $139 device. Let's move on to the next few gadgets I have for you. Hax Mini. This gadget is a combination of portability and high overall performance in a portable PC. Hax Mini is in remaining compact and fashionable with the latest Intel CPU. Designed for commercial enterprise and entertainment, the Intel Core i5 and dual GPU provides the fast processing speeds, high bandwidth, and low latency memory of 8 GB and 16 GB FDR4 RAM. Allows you to do the entirety fast and manage more than one task seamlessly. It supports a dual 4K display, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth for that fast Wi-Fi connection you need. The price is estimated at around $499. Auto Stick. This gadget is ideal for those struggling with using chopsticks properly. Say no more to embarrassment while eating due to wrong managing of chopsticks. It is a simple and easy to use chopstick. The two sticks in a chopstick were combined to form a single unit for ease of usage. It features an anti-slip design at the tip of the chopsticks, which makes it easy to hold close any food and adjust yourself right into a greater natural. Auto sticks can fold down easily to a size small, sufficient to put in any bag, pocket, or purse. Made of stainless steel and alloy aluminum, auto sticks are easy to clean, rust-resistant, and mold-resistant. You can get this for $39. The mag-free 3-in-1 MagSafe charger by using Apple is the modern-day iteration of an stylish and critical innovation that has emerged because the iPhone 13 and 12 have hit the marketplace. Mag-free 3-in-1 MagSafe charger, capabilities 3 chargers with a built-in stand function adjusted to any height and angle. It charges iPhone 13 and iPhone 12 models with as much as 15W strength. This gadget can charge 3 different devices. 15W for your iPhone 12 to iPhone 13 series, 5W for your AirPods, and 20W for your USB-C port for USB-C devices. Isn't always that simply great? You could get awesome gadget for $89. Curbot. Curbot is an advanced wireless smart home device That could turn any old-fashioned curtains into a fully automated curtain system based totally on IoT generation. You can also control your curtains with your voice with Google Home, Alexa, and Apple Siri. This device might best price you $79. WeMax Go. WeMax Go is an ultra-thin portable projector presenting the patented ALPD laser technology. Bright 600 ANSI lumens, built-in Wi-Fi SmartOS device. WeMax Go offers 200% more brightness. With this pocket-sized projector, this is most effective 1-inch thick and weighs simplest 1.72 pounds. You can enjoy an entire cinematic experience on your favorite shows or games. It features a 120-inch display screen, and it supports a kind Type-C port for an external power bank to charge anytime. You may get WeMax Go for $349. Zara. You no longer have to buy cartridges every 2 weeks for your razor. Zara is portable wireless charging. Ceramic blade to be able to have a close and greater at ease. Zara offers a cleanser and more effective cut. Zara will only cost you $69. Wesmert Jacket. Wesmert is the world's first all-weather smart jacket built with waterproof, anti-fouling, windproof, anti-knife cut, storage bag, and face mask. What greater are you able to ask for in a single jacket? You can adjust the sweater to your selected temperature by simply opening the app. An external power pack powers. Wesmert costs approximately $219. Thanks for staying to the end of the video. Share your thoughts or comments in the box below. See you next time.